Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, Fun with Python. So far we have done what is Python. It is simply a high level programming language in which we can develop softwares, applications and games. So all this we'll learn in this chapter today. So let's begin with Python keywords, Python identifiers, running the Python ideally. So let's just start the chapter.
Will you tell me something about Python? Yes, of course. Python is a general-purpose, dynamic, high-level and interpreted programming language. It supports object-oriented programming approach to develop applications. It is simple and easy to learn and provides lots of high-level data structures. Python is easy to learn yet powerful and versatile scripting language which makes it attractive for application development. Python syntax and dynamic typing with its interpreted nature make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development. Python supports multiple programming patterns, including object-oriented, imperative and functional or procedural programming styles. Python is not intended to work in a particular area, such as web programming. That is why it is known as multipurpose programming language because it can be used with web, enterprise, 3D CAD, etc. We do not need to use data types to declare variable because it is dynamically typed, so a is equal to 10 can be written to assign an integer value in an integer variable. Python makes the development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step included in Python development and edit test debug cycle is very fast. Python programming is widely used in artificial intelligence, natural language generation, neural networks, and other advanced fields of computer science. Python has deep focus on code readability. Python keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in Python. Keywords cannot be used as a variable name, function name, or any other identifier. They are used to define the syntax and structure of the Python language. In Python, keywords are case sensitive. There are 33 keywords in Python 3.7. This number can vary slightly in the course of time. All the keywords except true, false and none are in lowercase and they must be written as they are. Rules for writing identifiers. Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase a to z, or uppercase a to z, or digits 0 to 9, or an underscore. Names like my class, var1 and print this to screen, all are valid examples. An identifier cannot start with a digit. One variable is invalid, but variable 1 is perfectly fine. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Special symbols like @ hash, $, %, etc. cannot be used in identifier. Identifier can be of any length. Running the Python idle. Go to Start button and type Python in the Start search box at the bottom. Click on Idle, Python 3.6 32-bit. Python editor will appear. Go to File menu and click on New File. Type the program. Go to File menu and click on Save As. Type file name with .py, extension as hello.py or first.py in the file name box. To run the program, go to Run and click Run module and the output will appear on the screen.